What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Luna Classic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top, almost at the very top of this price movement, and I've told you that we are forming some kind of channel, and if this channel works, so we should land at the higher border of this channel at this point somewhere here. And first of all, we have to retest the lower border, the support range. And why I decided that we have to retest the lower end. Right here you can see that we had lower highs on our side with the higher highs on the price section. And this is the bearish divergence. And bearish divergence is the sign where probably we might have the retracement, we might have the trend reversal, and this trend reversal happened. As you can see right here, we moved lower, and at this very point we retested this range of support, and we were hovering for quite some time, even right above this range, but eventually we broke it to the downside. And this movement to the downside definitely was the clear sign that we might land even lower. The probability of this price action that we might land lower became about 85 to 90%. And despite this spike in price to the upside that wasn't so long, as you can see, we had the rollover and we went even lower. And right now we are hovering at the range of about 0.302892, and definitely we are in consolidation phase, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. For now we are sitting at $958.02 billion of total market cap. It is a 0.55% decrease over the last day. And major coins are slightly in green during 7 days period, but they are pretty much moving sideways or a bit lower than it was 24 hours ago. So definitely we are still in consolidation phase on a greater scale, and we have to be very cautious with any of the positions, because if Bitcoin and Ethereum go lower, the entire market will follow them. So, and let me show you right here, we are on spotlight section, and right here you can see that Terra Classic is on the 5th place among biggest losers during last 24 hours. And it is on the 3rd place on most visited list, as you can see. This means this asset still has some momentum, still has decent interest from the retail community, but it lost basically a lot compared to other coins during last 24 hours. And let me show you their numbers in details. For now, Terra Luna has the total market cap of $1.78 billion. It is a 3.53% decrease over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $290.99 million. It is a 19.72% decrease over the last day. And definitely this volume is not so high, and you can see it right here that the volume is moving south. This means we are in consolidation phase, and we are losing a momentum, we are losing some support from retail community. And let me show you some news that might be the catalyst for this asset. First of all, let me show you this article. On October the 6th on CNBC.com we have this article that is titled "Wanted Crypto Exec Linked to $60 billion Crash Faces Passport Freeze." And I covered this news previously, not exactly this one, but the general situation. And definitely this situation around the founder of Terra Luna Classic doesn't give a lot of bullish power to Luna. And let me quote you these details. South Korean authorities on Thursday began the process of cancelling the passport of Terraform Labs founder Do Kwon. The saga between Kwon and South Korean authorities continues to intensify after the collapse of Terra USD and Luna wiped billions of the crypto market. South Korean authorities think KWON is a fugitive and cannot find him, while the crypto executive insists he is not on the run. Police have arrested one person surnamed Yu in connection with KWON on allegations of capital markets law violations and fraud. And definitely this news around the founder of Terraform Labs doesn't support the Luna Classic by any means. And as long as we don't have any certainty around this situation, we might see the uncertainty on the price action of Luna. And let me show you another news right here. On October the 4th on coindesk.com we have this article that is titled Luna Classic, remnant of Terra collapse drops after underwhelming Binance burn mechanism data. Binance scheme destroyed only 0.08% of Lunce's bloated supply, too minuscule to have a lasting impact on the hyperinflated token. And definitely a lot of people anticipated much higher percentage of that burn, but it is only 0.08%. This means fundamentally this movement to the upside wasn't supported by the Binance. It was only the psychological movement to the upside that definitely brought a lot of attention to this asset. And let me show you the stock tweets community. We are on watcher section, and as you can see, we don't have this ticker symbol right here. We don't have this ticker symbol on the most active section, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. This means Terra Luna is losing momentum from the stock tweets community, and this means we don't have much chances to hit higher targets because the support is diminishing and the volume is fading out. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we don't need unnecessary tools, and I have to say that these two waves to the upside might be, on the one hand, might be as ABC correction. And in this case, we have to hit lower targets. We have to break the B wave, the bottom of the B wave, and we have to break the initial bottom right here. And the other case is that we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth, and fifth. And definitely because of its structure, because the third wave is shorter than the first one, we cannot have fifth wave that is higher than the third one. This means we cannot have this movement, I guess, higher than this range of about $0.304. And this means we have two crucial points. First of all, if this asset breaks this previous bottom, let me show it to you right here, this bottom, we will eliminate this count as our motive wave, because we cannot have the retracement in the fourth wave that is deeper than the initial bottom of the third one. And this means this count might be eliminated. Otherwise, if this asset breaks this top, this previous swing high, let me mark it for you, we will eliminate ABC correction, and in this case we might see the next leg to the upside that might hit some ranges at about $0.0004. So definitely these two ranges are quite wide, because we have, let me show you, we have, let me adjust this tool a little bit. We have about 45% in between these two ranges, but definitely as long as we are in uncertainty mode, as long as we don't have any news from the KWON situation, we cannot rely on this asset and we cannot predict where we might land, because from the technical standpoint we are in the middle of nowhere. That's why you have to be cautious, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.